Are laws which are intended to be used for restoring truth, justice, and peace being used to render untruth and injustice? Is people's activism on various issues getting stonewalled by police authorities to quell dissent? Watch Herald TV's debate Point Counterpoint on Are laws being stretched to rein in people's movements in Goa on Herald TV and YouTube on Friday onwards.
Is to keep vigilance, is meant to keep vigilance on property offences, criminals who are involved in property offences. This is the main motive. And that is why we check them night time. Whether they are at home or they go for something else. This is the motive of history sheet.
And now is it misused?
Now see, not you go to say Hemant Parab, it is misused, no? Is he a history sheeter? Is he a criminal in property offences? Is he social offences? So why you mix that with this?
If any person gets a notice under section 149, it has to be on the basis of reasonable apprehension that the person is going to commit a cognizable offence, so that they could be arrested perhaps under 151. Now 151 is there in the CRPC, but the basis for this notice there has to be genuine grounds, there has to be reasonable apprehension, there has to be some kind of database with the police to believe that this person is going to commit some kind of breach of peace. In the absence of that, I think a notice under 149 is completely illegal, is arbitrary and cannot be sustained.
See, this over-enthusiasm, so-called, of the police is done only by the directions of the government. Otherwise, these police could not act in this way. Secondly, every time we say that it is illegal, what is the deterrent? Punishment by the court. The courts are just saying it is not correct and striking it down. If there was a deterrent thing, no police officer would have ever dared to do it. But there is no deterrent, so therefore this is going on.
जेन्ना वाळपय पोलीस स्टेशनान म्हाका नोटीस धाडली, हांव नेक्स्ट डे एपियर जालो आनी मागीर हांव PIक विचारलें, बाबा ही नोटीस कित्याक धाडला? त्या वेळार म्हाका PIन सांगलें की तुका अंडर हिस्ट्री शीट म्हणून आमी घातला आनी त्या खातीर ही तुका नोटीस धाडल्या आनी हें तुका कॅन्सल करपाक नाव यू हॅव टू अप्रोच द कोर्ट अशें म्हटलें. हांवें ताका विचारलें, अरे बाबा म्हाका कित्याक क्रिमिनल्स आहा तांकां घालतात न्ही? ना ते आमकां SPन सांगला की चड 4 वयर केसीस आहा जाल्यार ताका ह्या हितूर घालप.
When there is any agitation, it is the duty of the police to maintain law and order and peace. And naturally, when there is a large-scale agitation, the police in that year to maintain peace and agitation will naturally arrest or target those who are leading the.
Bureau Report, Herald TV.